Welcome to Scholarly Snapshots, the channel that makes peer-reviewed research accessible. We take complex studies and break them down into simple, digestible bites, covering a wide range of topics. Whether you're a student, a scholar, or just someone who's curious about the world, join us as we dive into the world of scholarship together. In today's video, we'll discuss individual psychology's contribution to cross-cultural symbolism. Our focus will be on Erik D. Goodwyn's paper titled Archetypes: The Contribution of Individual Psychology to Cross-Cultural Symbolism. The role of the individual psyche and what creates collective cultural symbols, CCS. To begin, let's define collective cultural symbols, or CCS. These are symbols that are recognized across different cultures and societies, such as the sun, the moon, and the stars. Jungian theory suggests that each person has a tendency to create and retain certain unconscious symbolic associations, which explains why CCS appear everywhere. However, some theorists argue that biological and emergentist factors arising from complex developmental events give rise to psychic content, making the archetype concept outdated and unnecessary. Active and passive models in understanding the link between the individual psyche and CCS. To better understand the link between the individual psyche and CCS, we can approach it through two models: active and passive models. Active models propose that the individual psyche has internal and universal characteristics that give rise to CCS, while passive models suggest that CCS is an emergent property of society and not necessarily related to the individual psyche. It's important to note that the framework of active and passive models does not create a false dichotomy. Both types of models have to deal with CCS, but only the active model justifies comparing dream, vision material with CCS as a result of foundational theoretical principles. The emergentist model of the psyche, Coleman's model of the psyche embedded in culture, proposes that symbols emerge from the complex interplay of psyche, body, culture, etc., without requiring an underlying principle or archetype. This formulation relies heavily on the concept of emergence, which highlights the fact that complex systems often display novel holistic properties without having any pre-existent template or form to follow. However, this model is passive and does not identify any organizing principles in the individual that might contribute to CCS. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding the role of the individual psyche in cross-cultural symbolism is crucial in understanding patients' dreams and fantasies. While some theorists argue that archetypes are outdated and unnecessary, others propose that archetypes exist and are likely composed of a variety of inborn tendencies related to our evolutionary history. Ultimately, the active and passive models of understanding the link between the individual psyche and CCS provide different perspectives, but both contribute to a deeper understanding of the human mind and our collective cultural symbols. That's it for this episode of Scholarly Snapshots. We hope you enjoyed learning something new today and that our simplified summary helped you understand the research a little better. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.